Hi, I am Kalarimti from LionAI. If you are still creating the slides manually, you are doing it the hard way. And if you click this video, you are probably not the type of person who likes wasting time. Want to become a NotebookLM power user? This video is just one episode in complete NotebookLM series. Watch the full playlist on LionAI and discover every feature step by step. Imagine just 15 minutes before the meeting, your most important presentation disappears. There was a big campaign. Today was a very important day. A new product. Millions of dollars. Everything depends on one presentation. The time was 8:45 a.m. The employee who prepared the presentation suddenly realized something. His pen drive was missing. Inside the only copy of the PowerPoint. No backup, no cloud, nothing. Panic spread across the office. Everyone was shocked. Now what? Suddenly, the CEO walked in. He said one thing. No panic, no stress. Give me all the research papers. Within seconds, he opened Notebook LM. He uploaded everything. He searched Notebook LM and clicked this. Try Notebook LM. Now he clicked Create New Notebook. Now he has pasted the links to the relevant research papers here. And click this button. Let's quickly introduce a LionAI product. This mobile application developed by myself, and let's see it. Just type or speak your task naturally. Next Friday I have a meeting at 3:30 p.m. Task Genius AI creates automatically. Turn on assistant mode. Even when the app is closed, a floating assistant shows today's task on your screen. Today's tasks from anywhere. Task Genius AI works smarter, get more done. Now he opened the Gemini. Then he type like this. He copied this prompt. He clicked this slide deck. What is detail deck? This option gives you a complete set of slides with full content and clear explanations. It's perfect when you want to share it with others, like sending to a client, your team, or management. Even if someone reads it without your presenting, they will fully understand the message because everything is clearly written. What is presentation slide? This option is designed for live presentations. Instead of long text, it gives you clean and simple slides with key points only. These slides act like visual support while you are speaking, so your audience focuses on you, not just reading text on the screen. Detail deck is for reading and sharing. Presenter slides are for speaking and presenting. If you are sending the presentation, select Detail deck. If you are presenting in front of an audience, select Presenter slides. In this area, just tell NotebookLM what slides you want, your idea, audience, and style. Clear input gives you better slides. We paste prompt here and we select this presentation slides and we click generate. So now NotebookLM created slides. You can see this tool created very attractive slides. You can also download this. Click this more option and you can just download as PDF or PPTX. I'm going to download PowerPoint. But there is a small issue with this. We cannot change the letters in this as we want. They are generated as images. So I will come up with the solution in another video. Within minutes, a complete presentation was generated. Clean, structured, professional. Everyone shocked. But wait, there was still one problem. The employee said, I don't know how to present this because I practiced the old presentation. So I'm not familiar with the new one. The CEO smiled. He uploaded the slide back into NotebookLM and asked for a speech. He create new notebook again. He click this upload files and he upload PPTX file again to the NotebookLM. Now he type like this. He send this. Now this tool create complete presentation in speech. A perfect, confident. Now ready to speak.